Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or log in on Fold app for the very first time. I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android. Let's begin. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Unfold app icon to open it. Now tap Get Started or Continue. Now you will see a different sign up options. You can also sign up using Google ID, Gmail address, Apple ID. If you're on an iPhone, simply tap Continue with Apple, confirm with your Face ID, and your account will be created instantly. If you choose email, just enter your email address, create a password, and follow ongoing screen steps. Next, Unfold may ask for permission to access your photos. Tap Allow so you can easily create stories and post. You can also choose your interest, but this step is optional. You can skip it if you want. If you already have an Unfold account, tap Login instead. Choose the main method you choose before, Apple ID, Google or Gmail. Once confirmed, you will be logged instantly. That's it. You have successfully signed up and logged in to the Unfold for the very first time. You can now start creating beautiful stories and post right away. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.